Dear buyer, we have loved this home, and we want you to love it as much as we have. It's not just a house, it's been our sanctuary, our adventure base, and the backdrop to so many of our family's stories. One of the main reasons we bought this home was the access to the Arapaho National Forest directly behind us. You can't tell where our property ends and the forest begins. It just flows, wild and beautiful. There are trails that wind through aspen groves, around impressive rock outcroppings, and beside a little seasonal stream that whispers through the spring. Just 6 minutes behind our home sits a large granite outcropping we call the Rock. It's our most sacred place, where I do yoga in the morning light, where Court strums his guitar in the evenings, and where our son grew up, building forts, exploring, and photographing his world as he grew from toddler to teen. We've shared that spot with friends countless times, sunset cocktails on the rocks, or long talks under a pink sky. Another favorite trail leads to what we call the Aspen Grove. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale, quiet, magical, and utterly peaceful. If you keep going, you'll find secret back paths to Cub Creek and Maxwell Falls. No crowds, no traffic, just locals in the know. Most days, I hike out there and never see another soul. In winter, we ski, sled, and snowshoe right behind the house. It's like having our own private resort. Donna Drive is a quiet, non-HOA cul-de-sac. You can't really see your neighbors, but it's comforting knowing they're close enough to lend a hand, whether it's clearing snow or borrowing a cup of sugar. Equally nestled between downtown Evergreen and Conifer Town Center, we're only 10 minutes to everything, yet it still feels worlds away. I can make it to the store for milk or head to Evergreen Lake to watch Court play in his band, Midday Suns, for the summer concert series in just 10 minutes. This home is always bright. The great room faces south, catching sunshine all day. I especially love how the sun shines on our warm wood floors and how cozy our evenings are around the fireplace we carefully designed for our family to gather and listen to our favorite music. If we weren't gathered around the fire, we loved sitting on the deck around the fire pit, stargazing with friends and family. Out here, the night sky is brilliant. No light pollution, just endless stars. This deck is our happy place almost year-round. I remember when we decided to go with Trex decking to keep the upkeep down. This deck isn't going anywhere, and neither are these views. We worked hard to make sure our kitchen effortlessly flowed into the great room and dining area, making entertaining friends and family easy. I was so excited picking out the leathered countertops and stainless steel appliances. Sipping on fresh coffee with friends has to be one of my favorite memories here. The visions of our son tumbling out of bed before school and walking to the bus stop, eyes half open, seem like yesterday. I loved how close our room was to his, so when he needed us, we were right there for him. Our bedroom has some of the best views in the house. We can lie in bed and see the mountainside and trees before our feet ever hit the ground each day. The primary soaking tub was the perfect place to wind down at the end of the day and look out to the forest and the countless stars above. When we want to slow down even more, the lower level becomes our retreat, a place for movies, yoga, or creative projects. It's flexible, peaceful, and full of possibilities. Court often has his jam sessions with his band buddies, and guests often made this their escape when visiting. The land around the home is pure Colorado, usable and versatile. The back area is flat and perfect for a hot tub, fire pit, playset, or games. The front has 2 flat spots off the driveway, ideal for our Airstream, and another for playing ball or fetch with the pups. Down the gentle slope in front, you'll find another aspen grove and seasonal stream, alive with meadow grass and wildflowers through summer, and perfect for sledding in the winter. We aren't alone here. We share this space with so much life. Deer, elk, fox, bear, coyotes, eagles, hummingbirds. Each season brings new visitors. And just because we're tucked near a national forest doesn't mean we're isolated. We have excellent internet with Starlink for high-speed connection and a garage wired for EV charging. The property is also fire mitigated and certified with a defensible space permit through 2027, and it has a new Class 4 roof installed in 2025. We've done everything possible to protect this place for whoever lives here next. This home and environment have been a source of inspiration for our entire family, and might have inspired a song or two in our hearts and souls. This home has given us more than we ever imagined. And now, it's time for someone else to write their story here. We've loved this home, and we want you to love it just as much as we have. All that we ask is that you take good care of her. She's a keeper, and we will miss her. Love, the Sellers.